Hey y'all, it's your girl Phone with Shaw here, coming to you with a new tutorial on how to do these crocheted faux locks wrapped with Cuban twist hair. There are a couple of steps on how I achieved this look, so if you want to see how I achieved it, please keep watching. Alright, so first things first, in the middle section, I didn't really worry about parting like straight. So I just took a small section, put some edge control around the root, and kind of just raked it through. Then you're going to separate the part into two. I'm now using the Bobbi Boss Nu Locs in 18-inch. I got a color 2. You take the loop from the crocheted lock and you're just going to wrap it around one side of the part. Then you're going to braid your hair in 3 going down. This next part I slowed down for you guys because it's really important. As you are wrapping the crocheted lock around your braid, you need to make sure that you're opening up the lock just a little bit so that you're able to cover your hair as you wrap it around. If you just wrap it around without opening it each time, it's just gonna kind of twist with your hair and it's not going to give you the look that you desired. So you open it up as you're twisting it each time. So I do that all the way up until where my hair ends, and then you can just naturally tuck the end of your hair into the crocheted loop like so, and then kind of just rub your hands together. So because it is 18-inch, I'm team inches, so I needed it to be much longer. So I took another lock and combined it. So you unlock the bottom of the first lock, and then you take the second lock and you hook it around. Then you tie it together like so. I double knot it just to be secure. Don't want any locks, falling down. And then I'm just going to wrap the excess hair around the rest of the lock. It is not necessary to make these locks super neat. I don't like uniform locks. I like when they have like a little bit of bumps, as you can see. There's no reason to go back. Then you're going to take some nail glue and you're just going to glue the end of that lock. And now the final step, I'm not done yet. You're going to take some Cuban twist hair. I got it also in a color 2 to match the Bobbi Boss Nu Locs. And you're going to separate the Cuban twist strand because you don't need that thick strand around each lock. So you're just going to pull it apart like so. And then I'm just going to put it at the root and I'm going to wrap it down. Once again, doesn't need to be super neat because you want that kind of messy boho lock feel. The reason why I'm doing this, and I'll show it later on within the video, is the Bobbi Boss locks can be a little shiny at first. I don't like shiny crocheted locks. Mind you, I don't really even like crocheted locks, but I said, hey, let me give this a try because it's much lighter than regular faux locks. So the Cuban twist hair gives it less of a shiny look, so it kind of dulls it down, which I really, really appreciate. And it also makes it slightly thicker, which I also appreciate. So I'm going to wrap it down all the way to the end. Once again, with my handy dandy nail glue, I'm going to nail glue the bottom of the lock. And it doesn't even go all the way down, which is totally fine because I wanted these locks to be super long. So as you can see, the one on the left hand side is wrapped with Cuban twist hair and the one on the right hand side is not. So it's a lot thinner, it's a lot shinier. It all depends on your preference. I like it much duller, so that's why I wrap it around with Cuban twist hair. And that is it for today's tutorial. I hope to try this style again, possibly a little bit thicker next time. So here are just a couple of flicks of me in Ghana. I had this for my vacation, So yeah, please let me know If you have any other questions about this style, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the kid. Bye, y'all.